Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's Corey here. Today we have a 2023 Chevrolet Equinox. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. So go ahead and open the door up here. It's on the passenger side, right behind the glove box. So what you want to do is open your glove box up and empty anything that you have inside. It's a good time to actually clean out your glove box and remove any unnecessary items. Alright, the cabin air filter door is actually behind this glove box door, so what we need to do is drop this glove box down, and to do that we need to bypass these stops here on each side. So this glove box actually flexes, and if you push in with your hand, you can see that stop move away. That's what we need to do to each side. And on this right side here, you'll see this dampening mechanism. This is what actually cushions the fall of the glove box door. This will need disconnected as well. You simply just pop that off this little plastic stud here, just like that, and then go ahead and grab and pull in. So that stop is out, and then this one as well. You might need to use both hands here. There we go. Okay. And the glove box just actually comes off there. See, it hinges down below here, and this area here, and this area there, right here, and right here. So now, glove box is out of the way. It actually says right here, filter access door. So, we'll go ahead and take that off. Okay, on the filter access door, you'll see on the left and right sides these little screws here. These are 7/32. So I have my socket, my little 1/4-inch drive socket here. Go ahead and remove these, and that will allow us to remove this door. I've never seen a cabin air filter door actually bolted on like this one. Be careful not to lose these screws. Okay, screws are removed. Now, let's squeeze these tabs in and pull the door straight up. There we go. So this is the original ACDelco filter. There's the part number. You can see that. Getting a bad reflection here. Go ahead and pull this filter out. Get a better look at it. Just pull straight out. You have to lift up on this door so that you can clear it. Looks like we have some pine needles in here, some debris, some leaves. Yeah, there's some debris in there. See all that? Yeah, this definitely needed changed. A lot of people forget about these filters, and a lot of people don't even know they exist. There's the part number. It's a lot easier to see now. Made in USA. And pay attention to the airflow of the arrows with the new one. Okay, here we have another ACDelco filter. I chose to use the factory one. Make sure that the airflow arrows are pointing downward when you reinstall. And this is very easy, guys. Just it's the reverse of removal. So insert it like that. Push it all the way in until it stops. And then once it stops, you go ahead and close this access door. And it'll snap in. You'll hear it snap in Then you'll reinstall the 2 little screws. Again, be careful that you don't lose them. Get that started by hand. Same with this side. I'll tighten these up and then install the glove box door. Don't over tighten these guys, just snug them up, that's all. You don't need to overdo it. Okay, now we can take our glove box itself and line these hinges up down below here. And then go on this side here, and you'll have to line up this dampening mechanism right here. Just push it over top of the stud. Just like that. And then that's it. Make sure it opens and closes nicely. And then you can go ahead and put whatever you had in there back in. And that is it, guys. Hopefully you liked it. Check out the description. I'll have links in there for the filter itself. And hit that like button if you liked it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.